This space right here, this is a comfortable bedroom. And this is a heavy-duty, high-capacity garage built for a beast. So what if I told you they are the exact same room? You might think that's impossible. But stick around because you're about to see how we get the best of both worlds, and we're going to show you exactly how we pull it off. It's a process that came with a few surprising challenges.
Come on in my room and I'll show you around. This is my bed, as you can see. And when we're traveling, that gets up against the other bed, and then we can put the four-wheeler in. But when we get company, that bed will come down to here, and we have a queen-size bed up there and my twin size. And he sets this nice little folding table up for me, and I keep my pills there and the things I'm using right now every day, paper, pencil, and all that stuff's in there. And here's my little coffee pot. And of course, here's my rocking chair. And I couldn't do without my rocking chair. I love rocking. Okay. There's the inside of my cupboard, and I got it stuffed. Got the little washer and dryer over here. And you can see into the bathroom. Toilet, sink.
So show me this thing on the end of your...
I keep my underwear and lotions that I use every day and stuff real handy here, my sunscreen. And that's about it.
You see your bathroom.
Yeah. My little cupboard up there. This one, Kenny added that little cupboard up there for me, and that's very handy.
Okay.
Keep all of my laundry supplies up here.
Because you do all the laundry, right? I rarely ever do laundry. It's all you. That's your duties, your job duties.
Normally, I don't do the cooking. I don't really like to cook anymore. But Lori does the cooking, I do the cleaning. Mm-hmm. So, works out great for us. And this little washer and dryer combination, man, that's been it worth every penny for the cost to put it in here.
Okay, let me come from the other side and get another view from over here. So your room is actually bigger than mine and Kenny's.
Really?
Yes.
I never thought of it that, but I can see.
Yeah.
But I use it too.
You've got a lot more floor space.
Yeah, more floor
space. And then Kenny built that up there to hang clothes on when she takes them out of the dryer.
Yeah, and I put these little storage things up there to stretch me along.
All right. Well, thank you for the tour. How do you like it? How do you like it back here?
I like it. It's private, and without my hearing aids, I don't know a thing that's going on out there. So it works fine. And even with them in, I'm not hearing great. So
yeah. Unfortunately.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mom, she's getting her room ready. She's getting ready to raise her bed right now. I'll go ahead and I'll show you that. You want me to do it? Yeah. So her bed goes all the way up. But on days we need to move the whole rig, this entire cozy room has to vanish. And that's when the real fun begins. All right, it's a travel day. That means it's time to convert this bedroom back into a working garage to load up the Honda. This transformation is more than just folding a bed up. These things are so slow. Now hers is a couch, but then we put her mattress from the house on top of the couch. So it puts it at the right height for her. She likes her bed a little higher. And then, you know, it gives her a better mattress than just the couch to sleep on. There we go. You just put it up till it clicks. And then she takes all her stuff that is onto her bed normally and puts it in her bathroom, because with the side-by-side in here, we won't be able to use her bathroom, unfortunately. But yeah, she just stacks everything up there. And then we have a strap that goes around here to keep these doors shut, because they will not stay shut. And Kenny's going to add a lock or something to the drawer, because the drawer comes out every time. Do you need back in here at all? You got all your clothes? You can't do this with one hand. All right, this is what happens to Mom's bedroom when we're driving down the road. And this time she has some bags packed here, because our next stop is just an overnight, or 2 nights if they decide to stay 2 nights. But it's at a casino, so it's free. So Kenny's putting the straps on back there, and then once he's done, we'll close that up. And then this will all be done and we'll be ready for the outside stuff.
This is how I take care of my clothes. I fold them in half, such as this, and make sure no wrinkles are in them. Fold the sleeves in, fold them up again, and then I fold them in half again. And I do the next one.
If your RV smells after dumping, you need Liquified. Liquified is what fixed it for us. Liquified has a great bottle. It has a measuring chamber right here. You just take it off. You squeeze up to the fill line, and then you dump it into it. So there's no guessing, there's no spilling. I'll put a link in the bio. SEEKERS for a 20% discount off your purchase of Liquified. It really works. And it's Grandma's got her seal of approval.
Everything feels right. Packed up and ready with our home on wheels. Life's an open road and know it feels real. Camping under the stars by the firelight glow.
Here I have my pants, shorts. Those are winter ones that I'm going to put away up high. And here's my shirts and my sleeveless shirts and long sleeve shirts. Paperwork, we all have to have paperwork, pills, and then I've got things like my glasses to clean my glasses, my blood pressure machine, hearing aid stuff, and that's all down in the bottom. So,
Okay. Thanks for showing us part of your room.
okay,
Get some more later.
okay, thank you.
The flooring in here is also specifically designed for this purpose. It's a single sheet of industrial grade material like polyvinyl or heavy duty rubber. It's slip resistant. It has bumps like diamond plate, and it's incredibly easy to clean. It's built to handle the wear and tear of the tires. It's designed to be resistant to mud and oil, so we don't have to worry too much about damaging the floor. Once the side-by-side is strapped down and the ramp door is locked, this toy hauler is almost ready to hit the road.
Man, 3 doggies, as Jed used to say. Put that little one. Then we put it there. Alright. Lower the boom.
Is my fan on up there, Kenny?
Huh?
This fan up.
Yeah, I'll turn it. It was full of dust.
reaching for the sky. Riding by your side, every turn's a brand new song. In this RV life together, we can't go wrong. So grab your gear, it's time to hit the...
No, I said something wrong when I was packing. I'll take the laundry back as soon as you get a chance.
Is that it?
Yeah, it's it.
Feel like a down.
Well, you gonna take pictures now?
I got pictures.
Put this here.
I don't think you should take my bathroom.
That's out of the way.
So there you have it. It's not just a bedroom. It's not just a garage. It's a masterclass in versatility. A cozy private suite for the traveling grandma. A heavy-duty garage for our biggest adventure toy. All in a single incredible room. We have to ask, what would you use a versatile space like this for? A mobile office, a playroom for your kids, or a garage for your own outdoor toys? Let us know your ideas in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour and want to see more of our family's adventures, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, life is good, and we'll see you in the next one.